Network sources shared the next batch of renders of the second generation of the smartphone Apple iPhone SE, which is expected to be released in the first half of 2020. In new images, the device appears in 4 colors, with a large frame above the display and a single camera, although numerous leaks predicted the expected compact dual camera. The debate about the name of the new product will not cease. In addition to the expected name of iPhone SE2, sources cite a more unlikely name, iPhone 9. One way or another, the price of a smartphone is unlikely to exceed $400.